Today, I'm going to show you a MT4 indicator. That can help us understand the market direction. And I'll also show you, through live examples, how we can use its buy and sell signals in our trading. But before we begin, here's an important risk warning. Binary options and short-term trading involve financial risk, and you can lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always use proper risk management and only trade with money you can afford to lose. Now, let's talk about our strategy. We want Minucci candle, while our trade expiry will be 5 minutes. We will not simply take every signal blindly. First, we'll look at the current market direction. Then check the signal provided by the MT4 indicator. And finally, pay attention to important support and resistance levels. For example, if the market is moving upward and MT4 gives us a buy direction, we will look for a suitable buy setup. And if the market is moving downward and MT4 gives us a CLL direction, we will look for a suitable sell setup. Remember, we should avoid taking trades blindly near strong support or resistance. We want to consider the market direction, the indicator signal, and important levels together before entering a trade. Now, let's move to the live example. As you can see on the screen, we are going to select the EUR-USD pair. When we open the MT4, we can see the current movement of the same market. Our indicator is giving us a buy direction here. Now, we check the market as well. The market is moving lowerward. The MT4 indicator is also showing low, and there is no strong resistance immediately in front of us. So we take our first buy trade here. Our candle time frame is 1 minute, but the trade expiry is 5 minutes. Now, we don't need to rush. After entering the trade, we simply wait patiently and allow the market to move. Always remember, trading is not just about entering a trade. Patience, discipline, risk management, and consistency are equally important. And as you can see, our first trade moved in the expected direction, giving us a winning result. However, we should never become overconfident. After one winning trade, we wait for the next proper setup and follow our rules again. Now MT4 is giving us another market direction. This time we are getting a SELL direction. So once again we check your USD. The market is moving down with the MT4 indicator is also showing buy. And there isn't a setup where we need to force an entry. Right above a major support level. So we take our second buy trade. Again, our candle time frame is 1 minute and the expiry is 5 minutes. We don't change our trade emotionally and we don't rush. Our job is simply to follow our strategy and keep our risk under control. And as you can see, our second trade also moved in the expected direction, giving us another winning result. But traders, there is one very important thing you need to understand. We should never assume that every buy or sell signal will automatically win. No indicator is one handcracker, guaranteed strat in trading. The goal is to have a clear method understand the market direction. Use the MT4 indicator as confirmation, pay attention to support and resistance, and most importantly manage our risk properly. That's why a smart trader doesn't rely on a signal alone. Think about it this way. When you look at the market without any guidance, you're looking at thousands of candles and movements, and identifying the right direction can be difficult. A serious trader uses appropriate tools and indicators to help analyze market movement more clearly. This MT4 indicator can also help us identify the possible buy or sell direction of the market. When you combine it with market trends, support and resistance, and proper risk management, understanding the market can become easier. But remember, an indicator is not magic, and it can always test it properly on a demo account first, understand its signals, and evaluate your strategy using trading data before risking real money. If you also want to use this MT4 indicator, find the indicator information and download details in the video description and on our Telegram. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Binary Warrior and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming trading videos and strategies.